Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to take apart this Solium Plus. This one is the outdoor solar camera, security camera. So as you can see, I removed the connection already for the mounting kit and also the top for the solar panel. So somehow this security camera, when I open the app, it just says offline. But as you can see, the camera is working fine. It's like something's opening and closed like night mode or daytime. And unfortunately, when I try to press this power to restore or reboot, it's just not doing anything. So I think the camera somehow got froze. So I removed the trans flash memory card already. I also tried to press this reset button right here. And it just doesn't do anything. So I inspect everything, there's no screw or anything like that. I also connect this to the charging port with the AC DC adapter and then the data cable or the charging cable to charge it. At first, it allowed my camera to turn it back on the app, and then after that, it just back to this clicking noise. That's it. So by the way, you will need to heat this up. I already heat something up already. As you can see, this one kind of flip open. So I heat it up with the hair dryer. There's like this thin layer of plastic that you need to pry out. Right there. Okay. After you heat it up, you need to remove the front of the cover, this plastic. And then you can reveal those 4 screws. And those are the Phillips screw. So I'm going to remove those 4 screws. And hopefully I could just pull this right out and hopefully disconnect the battery and somehow to reset it. And this is the screw. Yeah, let me go get my prying tool. What? Something broken there. So that's where the battery is. So maybe I could just disconnect this battery terminal right here. Oh, the post is broken right there, where I screw and unscrew. And that side is broken too. What? So yeah, let me try to disconnect the battery. See if they'll fix it. Let's disconnect this too. Hopefully the system could reset itself. So if you need like a long fitted screwdriver in order to remove that screw and that screw. If you want to remove the battery. And it looks like there are two more down here, left and right. That's how they fasten the battery and stuff like that. So I don't think this one's gonna come out. So this is the antenna signal. Anyway, I'm gonna plug in to charge it while the camera is off right now. On this side, let me connect the back, do some tests real quick. What? So the camera is on right now. So it's working. And it shows the battery now. I wonder how many percent. 49. Cool. So I guess that fixed the problem. See, now it says online. 48%. Because before it just showed like this, or it's just black and it says offline. And when it was connected to the solar, it has a solar charging symbol like a lightning bolt. So I used this power bank to charge it before, but somehow it just drained down my battery to 1. It was 0%, so I guess it went up to like 49%. But after it's fully charged, at least half a 50%, and when I try to open it, still give me the same error or problem. So that solved the problem. So I'm going to plug it in to charge it. I'm not sure if I could do the solar or not. Let's check it out. See if it's charging. Oh, cool. So it shows that it is charging right now too, so which is a good sign. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Cool, now it's working. Well, I gotta find a way to glue this back. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.